How to see how many shares on Instagram post. First, make sure you're connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're in the app, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right. Scroll through your posts and select the one you want to check. Now, look at the bottom left of your post. If you see the option View Insights, tap on it. If you don't see it, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post and look for View Insights there. On the Insights page, you'll see different engagement metrics for your post. Focus on the 4 icons near the top. The number below it tells you how many times your post has been shared. If your post has been shared, you'll see a number there. If it hasn't, it will remain at 0. Keep in mind that Instagram doesn't show who shared your post, only the total count. That's how to see how many shares on Instagram post.